My name is Harrison, and I'm going to be taking you through the latest release of QX Control from Qumulex. With the introduction of QX Control Pro, we have made it easier than ever to transition to the cloud. QX Control Pro provides all of the benefits of the cloud without the need for subscriptions, offering an affordable cloud license. This is a great approach for integrators that are looking for a way to sell cloud solutions without having to disrupt their current business model. Another exciting addition this month is our support for HID Mercury, as we have launched our own line of access control hardware with our Qumulex Enterprise panels and door control kits that combine the QX Enterprise panels with life safety power enclosures. This allows integrators to work with more customers and help end users get the benefits of QX Control without having to make changes to their existing system. Lastly, VivoTech Camera users will now be able to enable smart VCA camera analytics. The onboard smart VCA suite includes intrusion detection, loitering detection, missing object detection, unattended object detection, line crossing detection, and face detection. Powerful edge analytics means higher accuracy, fewer false alarms, and faster search results. Thank you so much for checking out this month's release, and we look forward to seeing you next month for our next release.